in case you were wondering.
Right, now we've clarified the law of seatbelts, let's get the weather now from Lily. And Lily, all eyes to the skies for some potential aliens.
Yes, if you looked out your window last night and you thought you saw a UFO, well, you wouldn't be the only one, because something very unusual was spotted across skies throughout Europe. This sort of swirly light shape, and as it moved across the skies, it did look a little bit like it could be some kind of spaceship, but I can reveal not a spaceship. It was actually caused by a SpaceX rocket that launched from Florida yesterday high up into the atmosphere, where it then ejected some leftover fuel. And because this was so high up in the atmosphere, it then froze to make some crystals, which were then able to be reflected by the sun's rays, again because it was so high up, illuminating the shape that a lot of people saw across Europe and across the British Isles. Now for us in the Channel Islands, there was quite a lot of low cloud around, so you'd have been lucky to see it, but if you did, quite an unusual shape. I can reveal not aliens.
Oh, I wouldn't have seen it out of my window because I can see a wall when I look out the window. But anyway, something slightly less sinister, a spectacular sight coming our way.
Yes, again in the skies. This time a solar eclipse is due to be taking place later this week on Saturday. This is when the moon is passing partially over the sun, blocking its rays, and it's due to start around 10 a.m, peaking at 11 a.m. Not complete, but around a third of the sun will be covered, lasting until midday. So fingers crossed for some clear skies to see another spectacular sight. But let's get all the weather details now. Well, we have had some dry weather this week, if a little bit on the cloudy side at times, with some grey mornings and some mist at times as well. But today it was an improving picture with a brighter end to the day, and as we head into tomorrow, we're expecting a similar theme with some cloudy conditions at first, possibly some mist as well, but that should clear to give way to some sunny periods and some bright weather as we head into the afternoon. And still feeling a mild day, it should be a mostly dry day as well. Back to this evening, clear skies soon turning to cloudier skies overnight, and with that cloud cover we could get some light patchy rain or drizzle, nothing too significant, just a few spits and spots of rain, but the winds generally light tonight and minimum temperatures of 8 to 9 degrees. So tomorrow, first thing when you wake up, you can expect to see some cloud, possibly some mist and a bit of a grey start, but see already that cloud starting to break up as we head throughout the morning, giving us some brightness and some sunshine by the time we head into the afternoon. We are expecting a mostly dry day and temperatures not too bad, highs of 15 degrees, with the winds generally light around a force 2 to force 3, possibly a bit more of a breeze of moderate force 4 in Alderney. Let's get our times of high water then, between around 4 a.m. and 4:45, later on between 4:30 and 5:15, with the sea temperature now at 9.3 degrees. So moving through to Thursday, notice we have still got this area of high pressure sitting over us. What that means is generally settled and dry conditions when it comes to our weather. Still a bit of a mixture on Thursday of some cloudy periods, but some brightness as well. And we can see that reflected in the outlook. A bit of a mixture, all a bit changeable, some cloud, but some brightness, but generally looking dry over the next couple of days. So when we get to Friday, that we see a bit of a breakdown with possibly some rain and some showers in the mix, a moderate breeze and temperatures still around the mid-teens. That's it from me. Take care.